So welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I've said that, and I'm actually really excited and happy to be like sitting here and talking to the camera like this, because it's been a while since I've like sat down and like vlogged. Like I feel like I've been like in a weird space for a while, and it's just been like go, and like all of my vlogs have just been like me being out and stuff, but it hasn't been like me just sitting down and talking. So with all that said, I think this vlog is going to be like a life update. I am finally back in Jamaica, as you guys can see by my room. I was away for like a month plus. I was away for, and social media won't make it seem like a month and plus, at least I don't think so, because I didn't post when I left. I usually late post, so like whenever I leave the island I always post days after, and whenever I come home I post days after I come home. So whenever you guys see on Instagram that I say I left or like I'm back in Jamaica, just know I've been back for a while. I'm currently doing my skincare routine for the morning. No, it is not morning right now, but I'm just now kind of getting up and doing my skin. Yeah, my sleep schedule has been really bad since I've been back. I've been a true night owl, and because of that I've been getting up so late sometimes, but thank God my job description does not need me to be up at 9 o'clock in the morning. But I just washed my face. I used my CeraVe cleanser and my I didn't use CeraVe. I used this Tatcha rice cleanser that I've been trying out, that I got from Sephora, like a sample, and then I use my Dermalogica microfoliant, which really buffs your skin, right? And my skin was really like crusty, like even here it was looking hella crusty. So I used that to kind of polish off my skin and get rid of like a lot of the congestion that I was having. Then I used this toner from Queen Organics. This is a black owned brand. A Jamaican woman owns this brand. I really like their toner and a lot of their stuff. And I'm using the hyaluronic acid. This is like has been my holy grail now. Hyaluronic acid, like it's my base after my toner every time. No matter if I'm adding anything else to my skin, I have to use hyaluronic acid just to make sure that my skin is never dry. But today I'm going to use niacinamide, and I think I'm just going to use niacinamide today and my moisturizer. Since I use the Dermalogica, I don't want to, actually I'm going to use this moisturizer, the Tatcha Dewy Skin. But yeah, because I use my Dermalogica today, I don't want to use anything that's gonna like exfoliate my skin too much in any. So I'm trying to finish up. I might not finish, to be honest, because I want to hurry up and leave. So I'm just going to finish I just pack in like the stuff that I'm gonna bring to Anita's place, and then kind of finish up whenever I come back, to be honest. I'm headed to Janga's right now. I'm so late. I'm so late right now. Ooh, I'm so late. This is not good. You guys like my makeup? Yeah, I'm doing super casual vibes. I did like a jersey and shorts. You guys can't really see. This is Anika's bag that I stole. That's one like a purple color, and my regular wedged heels. That's the vibe for tonight, and we're leaving out now. So right. Oh my gosh. Nice. Where are we? Tell the people where we are. Tell the people where we are. Stop
today
now.
We are at Shop Bolland, aka Salon Bougie Brand.
Period.
We're not getting to these lashes.
Oh my gosh.
Are you seeing them? Are you seeing them?
Wait, this is from her?
This is from her.
Oh, these are nice. Oh, she's vlogging. Period. Yeah. But yes, we're at Salon Bougie's launch right now.
Suéltame, suéltame ahora, baby.
We are at Shop Bougie's store launch right now. I didn't get to intro the vlog, but before the music starts, we're at Shop Bougie's store launch. In here looks so good. I'm so proud. Come say hi.
Tirando techo a la cara, te olvides. Las cosas cambiaron, una situación cabrón. Suéltame para siempre, no mires atrás. Las cosas cambiaron, una situación cabrón. Suéltame para siempre, no mires atrás. Las cosas cambiaron, la situación cabrón. Suéltame para siempre, no mires atrás. Cuando me deja un mensaje de la drama, cuando peleamos a las 2 de la mañana, tú no vale la pena nunca volver a mi cama. Cuando pones mi canción favorita y me embala con tu joya cuerpito, it's a trap, I know, tryna reel me back, cause you never let go.
First of all,
What happened?
this bitch is traveling.
Okay.
We're not in this girl's league. Okay?
Can you stop
This
the
girl
bullshit?
is traveling.
Can you stop?
Baby, déjame, suéltame ahora. Baby, suéltame, suéltame ahora. Baby, déjame, suéltame ahora. Libre, libre de tu amor, no lo compliques. Tirando techo a la cara, te olvides. Las cosas cambian.